how to lock Facebook profile. So this is a very easy tutorial. If you don't want your information to, spread, or it's just like if you're a private person and if someone visits your profile and you don't want them to see anything about you, like your posts, about friends, everything. They don't even have the limit access, or if they click your profile picture, then they cannot really see the next one, even your updated photo cover. So this is the advantage locking your profile or Facebook profile. So to do this, then you just have to go to your profile and then tap this three dots here. Now you have to scroll down and actually you can see this lock profile option. Before you can see it. Okay, so there's a method for that, but now you can just simply see it on your profile. So as you can see here, lock your profile, then these are the advantage of setting your profile or locking your profile. So you can read each, and here are the samples, such as only friends will see the photos and posts on your profile. Only friends will see your full resolution profile picture and cover photo. People you're not friends with will see a maximum of 5 profile details, but actually it's not that it's optional if you let them, and then you can tap this learn more in the Help Center, or you can just proceed with lock your profiles. So once you're okay, then tap this lock your profile. And you can see here, you lock your profile. Only your friends can see the photos and post on your profile. So once you're okay with this, then all you have to do is to click OK. But don't worry, you can just simply unlock your profile anytime. You just have to follow the same procedure or same step. You just have to go to your profile and unlock your profile. So if you want to see the result, you have to see this view as. Just tap the three dots and see the view as. As you can see here, if someone visits your profile or Facebook, this is what it looks like. They cannot see anything. Post about friends, photos, videos. They can see any intro, and as you can see, no post available. So they don't have the access of seeing or knowing everything or even your recent activities. So these are a few advantages of locking your profile, especially if you are a private person. Okay, so I do really hope that this video helped you on how to lock your profile. And yeah, that's how easy it is to simply lock Facebook profile. So thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.